I'm really gonna miss her. She is now my low-key new favorite city of Vietnam because like it has everything. It has the beach, it has tailors, it has good food, like weird food too. What yeah! Proud of myself. This is a preview. First fitting. Let's try it on. I'm seeing the mirror for myself. I think it's very nice. The little catwalk. Ooh. First fitting went so well because essentially all I have to do is like make this part a bit backwards, which is awesome, but everything else is lovely. The colours and fabric's amazing, and the flow is so nice. Pretty fucking good. Biggest chunk of meat ever. They're both kind of spicy, kind of like seafood. I'm glad I chose pork. You know it's good when only the locals are here. So good. I think Hoi An is my favorite city in Vietnam. I'm looking for a ciclo, like the tuk-tuk cyclist people. I don't see them anywhere because I need to go visit this jewellery shop. But I'm also at the same time quite enjoying walking along the river. Look at these boats! Oh my god, that house is gorgeous. One thing I love about Hoi An is like how beautiful the architecture is. Like BFFR, babe. BFFR. I love it here. Currently in the market. I look for a ring.
Hello.
Hello.
My ring you.
Xin chào, xin chào. Xin chào, xin chào. Hoi An. And I've got my souvenirs for my friends and family, and now I'm going to the jewelry shop. I love market. It's a bunch of random stuff. They have the mango stain. I've got little pots and pans. Y'all, today we're at the most beautiful cafe ever. It's called Cafe Slow. And it's in like the rice paddy fields. I've ordered a creamy coffee. It's kind of giving. And I ordered a French toast with lime cream or something. It's so humid. It's so hot. Also, I have like 2 or 3 fittings today. I have to like, I'm gonna take a slow morning. Also, last night was kind of crazy. And there's a guy taking photos, but like I don't really mind. That shit is good. I think it's condensed milk in it. I need to wake up after last night. It costed like £3.70. So they have this whole like outside part, and this whole like structure. It is gorgeous. It's very like Japanese style. And like if you go over here, like the windows like frame for like scenery. Isn't that gorgeous? That's where I'm sat. I'm probably gonna like, because we're in like the rice paddy fields, but it's like also like really, oh my god, there's koi fish. Oh, look at the koi fish. Oh my god, that's so Hoi An's been beautiful. I love it here. And this coffee is amazing. Let's try that French toast. So they sort of, this is good. Very crunchy baguette. And that very crispy caramelized top. And the lime, whatever this is very good. It cuts through. This is one of my favorite cafes ever. Oh my god, we're back at the tailor's for denim. This is the jacket so far. We need to add the buttons. And then these are the jeans. And we're gonna try them on now. So, Guys, cute. So. Vâng ạ. Chắc thế. More overlap. Xong rồi length is good. Nhưng mà cái vải lại đẹp thật đấy. Vải đẹp thật.
The collab button, I make something like this and showing in here and you follow here.
Okay.
Just showing the flattering here.
That's nice.
Yeah.
That's nice. But silver, yeah.
Yeah.
It's almost there. I can see it. That's nice.
Yeah.
Amazing. Thank you. Very happy. Very happy. My local tailors recommended me this place. It has so much pottery and like cool stuff. I love it here. I might consider this one. It's so gorgeous. Oh my god, they're so gorgeous. Oh my god, like this one is gorgeous. I want to look for like a really unique one. You can like make your own pottery here as well. Guys, this is so cool. I'm gonna try and make a small bowl. Last time I did pottery was like, it was in Canada. It's like really online. I kind of don't want it to be perfect though. I want it to be a regular. Not that I can make it perfect anyway. But I think it's done.
Hộp dầu đẹp quá.
Đây được rồi. Does she eat? I don't know, it's just a bowl. Proud of myself. It's for my mom. It's like a rice ball.
I got my tailor clothes.
How much do you like just dots? Or like dashing?
Nothing close.
Let's show mine.
She kind of ate.
Want to bring on the loop.
Our house.
Yeah, not worth it. Won the boat, guys. Won the boat. Sick. Guys, this is actually so fun. Now we're at like party at here.
Em chàng có pha viên mạnh.
I think slow motion would do it justice. Yo, I just got spun. Oh my god, never again. My abs, oh, I don't have any, but fuck me. Absolute random vibes here, but it's kind of cool. Guys, look at my room. This is my like solo traveler life hack. Is that before you have to leave somewhere, book like a cute 4-star little situation because you need a private room. It's worth it. And this is Hannah's like house. TV has like Netflix and everything on it as well. But it's like, yes, I know it's small, but like it's everything you need and more and better. In my opinion, it's so cute. Like, guys, tonight is my last day. Today is my last day in Hoi An. I'm really gonna miss her. She is now my low-key new favorite city of Vietnam because like it has everything. It has the beach, it has tailors, it has good food, like weird food too. It has the most like nice, I guess like local people. Like my tailors and stuff, like oh my god, they're amazing people. And like just in general, like people I meet here are so lovely. Like to the point that like she literally like keeps like asking me, she's like, oh look, do you wanna go? Like I can take you there like on my like bike, it's fine. I was like, are you joking, girl? Anyway, I crossed this really cool bridge. I love the bridges here, they're so cool. I'm gonna check out that one over there as well today. Oh, I love it here. Oh god. Kind of overrun by bikes. Oh my god, I have some gao lo. I'm gonna go to that temple as well later, but I need to have some gao lo over here. It's like my new favorite. It's like udon basically. I love it. It's like a soy sauce base. I also love this bun, or whatever the fuck. Oh my god, that shit is bust, babe. There's the bridge. Oh wait, I don't think they're open. Oh, they're not open. Oh well, we'll go to the bridge. What's here? Oh my god, it's so beautiful here. Guys, this shit is so pretty. Details up top, like BFFR, that eats so hard. And these people are cute. Oh, it's so cute. What a cool bridge. Temple. It's not busy. I'm gonna get some breakfast. So like well preserved. Like, why? Oh, I love the sound of that old ass bag. That's really cool. Final fitting. Shout out to Angbang Tailors and Jing. Look guys, it's pretty much done apart from the buttons. Oh, eat them up. Yeah. Cute, cute, cute. This is really cool by itself as well. Like the fact that the buttons like are so beautiful. Cute, cute.
99 len, right? Are you happy with the length?
I think, is it too late today to like, guys,
Yeah,
last
yeah.
thing, we're gonna get this done. Buttons in front of this. Thank you. Hello. Workshop. We're gonna make some rings. We're making rings today. Oh, this is so cool.
Guys, this is thank you.
I'm glad that like, cause like, no, because like, I was like, low-key, I am a tourist, and that's fine. And it's my last night, but whatever.
Hi guys, we're doing ring making.
I'm next to Hannah because she's the one that...
Wait, I have the mic. I'm just breathing into it.
Hi vlog, we're making rings today. I've gone for two kind of thick designs. Yeah. One for my dad and one for myself. Yeah. No. But a bash design. Yeah. So
That's very nice.
yeah. Matching.
Sorry, guys.
It's for Father's Day.
I have to get my fitting, guys. I have to get my fitting. Oh my god, I'm...
So we have
Oh.
two melting, but we have some silver for reuse. So we also will give
Sick.
us one for so like this.
Sorry. It's so heavy. Thank you. Lit. Okay. What lit?
What do you call that?
Oh, so hot. Okay, who next?
Oh, is that how? Oh.
Okay, guys, I'm currently like flattening this way a bit. Yes! Yes! Oh, her. They're putting us to. This is heavy. If I put my finger through this, I will probably die. Okay, probably not. It's not too hard. Nope. There you go. It's actually hard to get like the like amount of space you need for it. Oh yeah, there you go. I'm joking. Oh, what happened there?
It's okay.
Oh, okay.
We need to flatten.
Okay.
If you want to
More?
less, yes.
Oh.
You can see this.
More. Guys, there's so much effort.
This one. We do this side.
Oh, this way. Oh, okay. Make it square. Let's go. Fat, floppy. It's giving. Oh. Yes, thank you. She's giving me a banger. Okay, guys, I'm ready to bang. What do I do? This side. Girl, I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm missing each time. How do you get it on the... I'm done. Guys, I'm like sewing my... Can you see that? I'm like following like the pattern, whatever. It's really hot. We're having my little.
Oh no!
Yo, this is my practice one. Guys, I'm kind of really proud of myself. Almost done. I'm just polishing it now. I don't think I'll ever do this again because it takes so long, but it's okay. Tắt đi được không? Nóng quá. It's so hot. Guys, this is my outside. Hello, hello Vogue. Hello Harper's Bazaar. Hello everybody. Hello everybody. Ah. I'm so happy. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Ooh, 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 yes. Thank you everyone. Lena Taylors. This is the artist in the making. Yes.
What the hell are you? Only you have
Chorus.
Buddy.